Marbatian. Marbatian.
Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me Rogue Marby Scott. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're wondering why I might look a little funny, well clearly you didn't see the thumbnail or the title of the video. So yes, I'm going to do the power of makeup. I decided to shave my face on my right side first before getting onto camera because way so much easier and way, you know, just time consuming. So yes, we're going to start off, and we're going to start off with our brows, or brow. Now I decided to do this video because, well, I've been growing my beard, not purposely, for the last week. So not from the last video that you saw, but when I recorded it basically, and I just wanted to see what my face looks like done up and not done up, because I don't usually have a beard and I normally do shave whenever I see like the stubble coming in, but this week I just decided not to. So yeah, today is a little project for myself, and also I'm going to be using the colour not oily, man. I'm going to be using the colour scheme of the Sainsbury's uniform, aka the Beyonce uniform. I'm going to start off with the Giro pencil and just mark my brow in, lining under. I don't know what kind of brow do I want today. Do I want a really dramatic brow? Yeah, let's go for a dramatic brow. I mean, all the time I'm doing dramatic looks, so it really doesn't matter. Let's go really dramatic. You see how dark that is? And then do the top. I've got the weirdest brows, like they're very, I don't know if you can see, but there's so much hair there, but it's not together, so it looks like I have no brow. And I'm just going to fill that in. And I'm really liking this. I'm really liking doing like really dark brows at the moment. I don't know why. And I know it's not really a thing, but for me I like it. And I know it's a little faux pas or whatever you want to say, but who cares? So I'm just going to carve out that brow. Oh, that's what I forgot to get, highlighter. We'll get that later, don't worry. Ooh, look at that brow. Right, I think we're going to go into foundation now. But before we do that, we're going to prime. This is the weirdest experiment I've ever done, like, because I've got to figure out how much primer I'm going to put on my face, because normally I just use one set amount. Oh, look at the skin. I've got this weird thing here where I always get ingrown hair, but whatever. I guess this is the power of makeup. No, do you know what? I'm going to do my eyes first. I'm just using a fluffy brush to blend that concealer in. Why? Because why not? And it will mix with the foundation, the concealer that I've put underneath my brow. Just dragging it underneath my eye a little bit, because if I decide to put any colour there, at least it will show up a little brighter. Place that all over here and do back and forth motions. This will act as my transition colour. Going into the shade Elton now, and I'm going to place that kind of directly on top and under, but leaving space where my crease is, or my lid. Oh, that looks so nice. Here. Right outer corner. Just gonna add some brightness now. Brighten it up a little bit more and blend all those shades together. Wow, this is something else. I'm not really fussed when it comes to doing cut creases and using concealer and the colour mixes, because if the palette you're using is very pigmented, it's just going to cover up that mix anyway, so and that's the final. No, I'm joking. I'm just gonna clean up this a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with my foundation. So guys, this is the final look. And this is, you know, the power of makeup. I am looking at myself and I'm just like, and yeah, oh, this just looks so weird. I like it though. I like the look. I like the look that I've done. Yeah. So, hope you enjoyed the hope you enjoyed getting, you know, not really a tutorial, but a tutorial. Hope you liked the video. And I will see you in the next one. And yeah. Bye guys. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and if you like the shadows that I've been using, you can get a discount code here. And yeah, I'll leave everything down in the comments down below. No, I won't. I will leave them in the description box. Anyway, ciao for now, Homo sapiens, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Rogue Marbie Scott.